Size reduction of PVC pipe production waste with a NEUE HERBOLD granulator of the series SR. Waste pipes of different diameters and with lengths up to 6 meters are in stackable packages. By means of a stacker, the packages are put onto the tilting device and secured. By swiveling the tilting device, the pipes are transported into the feed hopper of the NEUE HERBOLD pipe granulator. The feeding hopper is closed and the automatic mode of the system is started. Now a load-controlled feed carriage carries out the transport into the grinding chamber of the granulator. Sensors monitor the emptying process of the feed hopper. In the grinding chamber of the granulator, the pipes are reduced to a granulate size of approximately 8 millimeters. A material transport blower transports the granulated material out of the granulator and conveys it into silos or, alternatively, filling stations.